Hey guys, it's Danielle, and I have two special guests with me, Lindsay and Joe, but they're not here right now, and we're going to be making 4th of July slime. Well, it's actually really not 4th of July slime because it's red, white, and gray and silver. So it's kind of like 4th of July slime, but not really. So how this challenge works is we're both going to get one glitter glue. I have silver, Lindsay has blue, and Joe has red. And then we're going to add some lotion and some Stay Flow. Don't mind the chocolate. And then we have some sticks, and we have this container. And we're going to make the slime. And then that's it. But before we begin, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to be notified every time I post. So without further ado, once they get out here, we'll get started. Okay, so we're on my front porch right now. If you guys don't notice this film, this is where me and Jaden did our challenge where we did the color, you know, the face thing, the who knows each other better. So, you guys, Stay Flow, our colors. Yeah.
What are you doing?
So, and Lindsay is here now. One of our guests are here.
Oh.
Lindsay.
Hi. Let me go get my brother.
And then Joe's on his
She's
way.
doing the video out here. I just not noticed that. I was like,
Come here.
Come on,
And
Joe.
then we have our other guest.
What?
Joe, where are the sticks?
Go get them.
Really quick, and then we got Joe.
Yeah.
So I already told them the colors and how this challenge is going to work, and I already said let's get started.
You did.
And I already explained the chocolate situation.
What is the chocolate situation?
That I'm going to be snacking on them. Because then Joe's going to have to get one.
No.
Yeah. Okay?
Got 6.
Okay, so.
You each get 2.
You can't be right in front of the camera. Silly. So grab your colors and face them down
what?
like this. Shake them, give them a little shake, and pour. Take off the cap.
Okay. What cat? Okay, Danielle goes first, and then I can't. I don't know how to take it off.
You twist it.
Oh, okay. Oh, Danielle.
Put it over this, Joe. Put it over the container, Joe. And squeeze.
There's hardly gonna be any blue
Yeah.
in red.
No, Joe, you have the second most. Lindsay has the least. Oh my god! Okay. I got glitter glue on the porch. Sorry, Mom. Okay, I'm done.
So, I think it's gonna end up in like a purplish kind of color, cause red and blue make purple.
Now I'm gonna mix this.
Holy cow, guys, this looks so pretty. Yeah, we need more glitter though.
We don't have any glitter though.
Yes, we do. We have orange glitter.
I used that today. That slime you were playing with? That's slime.
Oh, never mind. Are we gonna add in rainbow loops? Red, white, and blue rainbow loops? Okay,
So we also are gonna do something crazy. So we're
keep
gonna
this.
pick,
oh,
since there's 3 colors in the American flag, we're each gonna close our eyes and pick a random color.
rainbow loops.
So don't look. And Joe, close your eyes. You're gonna pick your color first.
Okay, and we're hoping we get red, white, and blue.
Okay, Joe got pink. So Joe, here you go.
Scared.
This is what you get to put in. Put them in.
I'm
Joe got
scared.
pink.
Okay, put them in.
Put them in.
Put them in.
I'm gonna close my eyes, okay? I got blue! I got a color in there! You guys, I got blue. Lindsay, now you close your eyes, I'll take it over.
This one.
Okay, red.
I got red!
Oh my god, god, if Joe would have gotten white, we would have had.
Too much. I got Joe's color, she got my color, and
Joe got no one's color.
yeah.
Okay,
Joe got a random color.
So now it is time, and we're each gonna add 3 pumps of lotion.
That's a lot.
10. Because I'm gonna add 4, and you guys are gonna add 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3. 3.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Joe, I'm gonna show you something with lotion. You push it down and up, and then now it's 12.
Who cares?
But yeah, it doesn't really matter.
This makes it really good.
Yeah, the lotion makes it super stretchy.
Stretchy, and
Okay,
we
just
love
for fun, we're gonna add some white.
because.
Because why not?
How do I look? Does it pop it?
How do you, did you really just say, how do I look?
Huh? I want to add in like tad bit of. Okay, you don't know what I mean.
Now we're just gonna add some random colors because Lindsay wants to add some different colors.
So
we're just gonna add in every color.
No, we already added. White.
So
we already added in that.
Yeah.
So we're perfectly.
We did every color. I have red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, dark purple, light purple.
2 shades of purple.
And then white.
Okay, we just turned this into rainbow loom slime.
Yeah, you just call it loom slime.
I call it rainbow loom.
So I'm gonna add in the activator. Lindsay and Joe are gonna mix. So Joe, grab a stick.
Here, you can use this one. Okay.
No, I got one
I'm
for
gonna
you.
use these 2.
No, you only need 1.
I want to use 2. I'm only gonna use 1. Okay.
What do you guys mix?
Okay, I cannot mix
With both people.
Okay. I cannot mix with other people.
Why?
Because
Easy.
no, it's not.
Who did that?
You.
To spread it.
You. I accidentally put my hand in it.
In that?
What? You spread it because you brought the bowl over it and smeared it.
But Joe said that he did it.
No, he didn't. No,
Yeah.
I put my hand right there. No, you didn't. You put your hand here.
Okay, stop arguing. Brother and sister. Yeah, brother and sister fight all the time.
No, they don't. I think we should break sticks and put it in.
No.
Yeah, last time we did that, it ended up horrible.
Because we were making the worst time in the world, and it literally turned out to be the worst time in the world.
It wouldn't even activate.
Yeah, the mustard did that.
Yeah, we kind of put in mustard and chocolate.
Kyle's here.
See that video? It is so funny. Lindsay.
Can somebody pause it? Because somebody's here. You
Oh,
didn't pause
it
it.
didn't. She's being a crazy person.
Handing over.
Yep,
Okay,
she's
sorry
we're
for
back to the video.
Sorry, Kyle's here.
Danny, clean up the living room.
Okay, 1 second.
Someone's gonna watch.
Shout out. Okay, wait.
Dun dun dun.
Yeah. Shout out to that person. Now you guys can mix and have the activator. I'll be right back.
I hardly got to mix. It's hard now. No, it's not. How? This is Rainbow Loom Slime. And comment down below if you've made Rainbow Loom Slime. Come on.
Okay, guys, we will see you in a minute. Okay, guys, so Lindsay decided to put her hands in. So she's inside cleaning her hands. And I had to go clean up the living room real quick. So we're going to finish with the slime.
This time, don't use your hands. Wait, where the stick? Oh, the sticks.
Over here. Joe, you still have a lot of red in here. Whatever.
How much blue? How much glitter do you have?
I don't know.
Probably use all of it like Lindsay. Looks like Lindsay used all of it. Can I help?
Yeah, but I'm going to go with my hands now, so.
Okay, Danny
Yeah, it's not sticky. It's barely sticky.
It actually is sticky.
No, it's not. I added activator.
Well, I'm not playing with that until it's not sticky.
Okay.
It's
Works
not.
for me.
I'm glad you did not see what I did.
I saw what you did. You put your hands in.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Really? Because I'm doing it, so.
You already put your both hands in it.
Yeah.
You didn't even. Why are you wiping it on your hands? Because
And we don't have pants.
pants.
Yeah, I said I don't have pants.
She's talking to me. Anyone's been sitting so long. Lindsay's the only one that has pants on right now. Bye.
That's not wrong.
Lindsay probably has the only shorts on. Lindsay probably only has the pocket.
Okay, Joe.
Huh? What?
It's liquid.
You're gonna feel very bad for your mom.
Why? I can clean my mess up. Okay, guys, so we'll see you when it's done. Joe, can you pause it? Okay, guys, so this slime is done now. It is beautiful. You guys can't really see it, so we'll get an up close of it. It does like really nice swirls.
Needless.
And so I'm gonna move some stuff. Every time I set down the activator, this would happen.
Pretty much.
It gets everywhere.
That's why she feels very bad for her mom.
I actually don't, but
Yes,
okay.
you
No, I don't.
You always got me with activator.
Good. Guys, so I'm gonna move the camera and do a little up close for you guys. Whoa.
She's the captain and the first mate.
As you guys can see, there's some really nice, pretty looms in here. I'm gonna make it.
Let me play with some.
Okay, wait.
We all
I'm
made
gonna
it.
wait till it's thick. So then it can take
Let me help you.
No. So then I'll take up the whole camera. Stop, I don't want your help. Got it, there we go.
It knows the whole camera.
Yeah, I took up the whole camera. The camera's little.
That was
Guys, soon I'm gonna get a GoPro and then we're gonna be vlogging on there. And then we can do like what's on my phone and stuff. Even though I've already done that video.
Danielle.
What? Okay,
Let me
guys,
play with
so
some.
that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Stop, don't. Okay, guys, that is it for this slime video. If you liked it, please
You
give it a
just
big
said
thumbs
that.
up. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.